Hello, welcome back to our learning community. In this particular video, we are going to learn how to install an SQL Server. SQL is supported by various database management systems and engines. In our sessions, we are going to use MySQL Server, and we'll install MySQL Server using XAMPP. XAMPP is a free open source software suite that will provide you with a local web server environment, and you can use it to develop and test your applications. It is bundled together with the MySQL Server. XAMPP is an acronym. The X in the XAMPP stands for the cross-platform capability, which means you can run XAMPP on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. The Apache component is the web server. We have the database system or the database component known as MariaDB. It is also bundled with PHP and Perl as scripting languages. However, we are going to focus more on the database system aspect, which is MariaDB. It provides a very convenient platform for you to be able to test your database applications. You can download XAMPP from the official website as shown on this page. Depending on the kind of operating system you are using, we'll run the installer. Because the Windows operating system is quite common, we'll do our tutorial using Windows. After running the installer, a setup wizard will pop up as seen on this screen. The wizard will allow you to select the components that you want to work with. In our case, MySQL and PHPMyAdmin are the most important. If you are a beginner, you can just use the default selected components and click Next. You'll be prompted to select the installation folder. For a simpler installation, just use the default folder as shown below. Once the installation is complete, you will have to open the XAMPP control panel. You can just search for it on your PC, XAMPP, then start both Apache and MySQL. After you run the Apache and MySQL component, you'll see that their status will change and it will be highlighted in green. On the MySQL component, click Admin. If you had clicked on Admin, automatically your default browser will open up and land you to this page. However, you can also manually type the URL of this page, that is localhost/phpMyAdmin. Always ensure before you run phpMyAdmin or MySQL, you have started them up in the control panel. All our video tutorials are hosted here on YouTube. You can always support our learning community by subscribing to our channel and also sharing it with your friends. In our next video, we are going to practice SQL commands using the MySQL server that we have just installed.